Hey, thanks for joining my channel again. This is another quick install. This one's going to be on my GoPro Hero 9. I've got a Telesin. It's a little tiny. I saw it on someone else's YouTube video and I thought, you know what? It's a cool little backing that goes in the back of my GoPro. These guys. These guys here, right? So you always have to, when you're using your GoPro, you have to open these guys up. And then put your backing through there and then hook it onto whatever you want to mount it on. Whereas that's fine and dandy, but it's a really cool thing where it replaces this and it has like the screw on the bottom so you can put it onto like a mount. Like what I'm using right now with my Canon, I can use this. So I don't know if that'll make it easier or harder or better, but let's try it. Let's see, it was only worth like 30 bucks. So let's try it out and see if it's any good. Okay, so this is the dual port connector for a Hero 9 and 10. Apparently you can use it on the 8 as well, but this is a 9 and I know the 10 is almost identical to the 9. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Cool. All right. So it's giving you a little screwdriver, huh? Some sort of Chinese writing, of course. Looks like there's the screws. So screwdriver, screws, and then the replacement. So you can put it into a camera mount. Let's open up the GoPro 9 and get it done. All right, so I don't know if the lighting is good enough to see, but so you open these up like that, you'll see the screws. A little dirty there because I went scuba diving with this thing in Mexico. And I've been mountain biking like crazy with it. But let's get those 4 screws out, put the new screws in along with the new part there. So we're going to use the screwdriver here. If you can see what I'm doing, not really, but let's get these screws out. And it gives you new screws as well, which is kind of cool. There's one. There we go. All right, so it's off. I'm going to clean it a little bit, and then we'll put the new part on. Okay, so now that I've cleaned it off, you can see there. Let's see how it's all open. Get the old one out of the way. The old one's fine, so I'll probably keep that as a backup, just in case it breaks. I'll put that in like a Ziploc bag or something. Okay, so let's get the new one opened and in. I'll take the new screws. Looks like they have blue Loctite on them, so that's good. So brand new Loctite. I can get the screws out. There we go. I just dropped them everywhere. Perfect. This might be a little bit harder than when I got them out. You don't want to over tighten these, of course. We'll do them like diagonal. Wow, they are tiny. I've got big hands. Glad this thing's magnetized. Let's try this again. Looks like they actually give you extra screws just in case you lose some, which is kind of cool. Alright, so I'm going to tighten these, but not super tight, just enough till it stops. You don't want to over crank it. So I'm sure it doesn't have to be super tight. So there we go. That's with the new one on. Look at that. So now it has, you can see that screw area there. Now you can actually screw on a camera mount. Not bad. Not bad at all.